Good morning, aviators. Kenyon here, one of the assistant principals, and today I want to talk to you about how we communicate. Communication and the things that we say have a big impact on all parts of our lives, because what we say is a reflection of what we think. Zig Ziglar once said, "Positive thinking will let you do everything better than negative thinking will." If you're positive and if you have good thoughts and you're doing positive self-talk, you're going to be in a better place than if you have negative thoughts. And it's not always easy to be positive, but I know that as we make that a goal and as we keep our thoughts positive, it makes it much easier to have our communications be positive with others and with ourselves. A couple weeks ago, I went on a backpacking trip down to Havasupai, which is a reservation in the middle of the state of Arizona. It's a super desolate place, far away from everything. It's a 10-mile hike in, and the hike in is mostly downhill. It starts with like a 2-mile super steep down, and then 8 miles to a village and then a campground. And that was awesome. Hiking in was a blast. But hiking out is the opposite. It was 8 miles out that was fairly uphill, and then the last 2 miles was extremely steep. That last 2 miles, it was tough because I had on my pack. My pack weighed like 35 pounds, and I'm not a huge dude. So it was hard, and the thing that got me through it was that positive self-talk and just being able to tell myself that I could do hard things. When we have hard things that we've done in the past, those are the things that we can reflect on and say, okay, because I did something difficult before, I know I can get through something else that's difficult. Samuel Goldwyn said, "When someone does something good, applaud. You'll make 2 people happy." If we see people doing something positive, we need to encourage it and let people know that we're proud of all the positive things that they do. And that's just a big deal. Everyone likes to be recognized for the good that we do. One of my favorite quotes comes from Eleanor Roosevelt. And Miss Roosevelt said, "Great minds discuss ideas, average minds discuss events, small minds discuss people." If we want to have good, positive, uplifting conversations that really go somewhere, let's talk about ideas, talk about big things. If we want to have average conversations, we can discuss events and things that happened. Small minds discuss people. And one thing I've noticed in the school setting is when small minds discuss people, it's generally not positive. So aviators, let's change our conversations with each other and with ourselves. Let's keep them positive. I know that those positive conversations, whether it's self-talk or talking to each other, is gonna make everyone happy. So thank you, go Aviators.